What's happening, everybody out here? So as we were discussing putting a supercharger on my car, the subject came up about these 18 motors and how fragile they really are. Many of us know that there are guys out there that had these engines fail, and they actually did buybacks with Ford for another car. And then there's guys that have had the engines fail, Ford replaces the motor, and in some cases replace the motor again. Now, my car is an early build date. It's showing a build date of October of 2017. So this is one of those risky cars. I really feel like I got a healthy motor, but I will say that there was a couple of times that I did hear ticking noises. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start the car. Okay, that's a cold start, and I'm just going to go around the car with the camera and go underneath the car so you guys could hear it. Now, I had a conversation with Mike J Autos and stuff so that he could hear this engine run. And so all of you guys, just take a listen and tell me what you think. Okay, let's go over there and take a look. Now we're on the passenger side. So as you can see, this one's pretty quiet. So you guys post your comments. Tell me what you think. All right, we'll talk to you later.